guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. It's just a really pretty, sultry holiday look. This is using the Mini Controversy palette from Shane and Jeffree. I love this little palette. I think it's so pretty. I like that there's neutrals and pops of color, and the pops of color are still super wearable, which I think is awesome. I wanted to do something more wearable and kind of like holiday themed for this video because my video with the conspiracy palette, which will be linked down below, was a little crazy and not so wearable. So like I said, I just wanted to keep it a little wearable for this look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using the Mini Controversy palette, then keep watching. So the first shade I'm going to pop into is Cry on My Couch, and I'm going to use my Morphe M441 to just pop this in the crease. Next, I'm picking up Cry on My Couch and Diet Root Beer, and I'm actually picking up Diet Root Beer from the Conspiracy palette because I don't want to be using two at the same time, and I'm just putting this in the crease. Next, I'm going to just dip into Diet Root Beer, and I'm really going to focus this in the crease. Next, just using my Morphe M441, I'm just going to really blend out that crease to make Diet Root Beer not look so harsh. Next, going back into Diet Root Beer, I'm just going to really focus this on the outer corner. And then I'm going to blend it out again with my Morphe M441. Next, I'm just going to use my finger to apply the shade My Apology, and I'm just going to tap that on the lid. So I kind of underestimated My Apology, and I didn't realize how deep it was going to be. So I'm going to go into the Conspiracy palette and just dip into my rides here and lightly apply it to the outer V of my eye and kind of blend it into the crease very lightly. And then I'm going to really smoke it out with my Morphe M441. Next up, I'm just going to go into the shade My Boyfriend's Purse and add this to the inner corner. Last thing I'm going to do to the eyes is just go back in with Diet Root Beer and this INMO brush and kind of just run this along the lower lash line. And then for lips, I'm going to use this ColourPop X Delilah Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade JJ. This is the completed look. And that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. Go follow me on Instagram because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I hit 1,000 followers, so go follow me there. It's linked down below. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. I love getting your video suggestions because I always could go for some video suggestions because I never know what to film sometimes. So let me know what you want to see down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!